everybody, it's Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in gut health for busy women, helping you fix your digestive symptoms, your IBS symptoms, your bloating, getting to the underlying cause. And I use state-of-the-art testing and get you on the right supplements, the right diet for you to get your digestive system functioning as optimally as it can, so you get your life back and get rid of all those annoying symptoms. And one of the big issues I see with gut health a lot is a condition called leaky gut, or to use its correct term, its scientific term, which is intestinal permeability. So I'll just go into a little bit about what it is, how it comes about, and a few signs which will indicate that you might be affected, and then look in the end at how you can go about fixing this for yourself, if you want to have a try with that. Okay, so what is leaky gut exactly? Well, lining your digestive system, you have cells, you have intestinal cells, and in an ideal world, we want the cells to be tight enough so that you're not letting any big particles through, but have enough for gaps just so you're letting through the nutrients you need to let through. So you're eating your food and then your gut is absorbing nutrients through these gaps between the cells, and then they go into your bloodstream. But the trouble is, sometimes these gaps, for various reasons, can get a little bit too big, and then larger particles get through, which can cause a number of problems throughout the body, not just in the gut as well. When you have leaky gut, there's probably going to be some inflammation present throughout the gut as well, which can potentially cause a few problems for you. And also, you've got a lot of immune system in your gut too, so your immunity can take a hit as well if you've got any kind of leaky gut inflammatory situation going on. So that's always worth bearing in mind. Okay, so what causes leaky gut then? Well, it could be a genetic thing. Some people are more sensitive to environmental toxins than other people are. So toxins on food, toxins in the environment, toxins in household products or cosmetics, things like that can really affect some people very badly and affect their gut situation. It can be diet as well. So some foods in the diet can cause problems for people. So gluten would be a main offender. Wheat food can be very harsh on the gut and cause these problems. Any kind of added refined sugary food, processed foods, additives, and very processed dairy products can be problematic for a lot of people actually. So then the next problem would be stress. So we're all very stressed at the moment, just generally, but stress and gut problems do tend to go hand in hand, and stress could definitely be a trigger for leaky gut problems in some people. And then there's dysbiosis. What's dysbiosis? Dysbiosis is when you've got not enough good bacteria and too many bad bacteria, yeasts, parasites, etc. They start to get a stranglehold in the gut. They can cause leaky gut, particularly things like yeast like Candida can really wreak havoc in your gut and then break through and then cause problems all throughout the body as well. So that would be one of the main underlying causes of leaky gut. You've also got parasites and other various things that can cause problems as well, not just in the gut, but then causing then knock-on problems throughout the body. So how do you know then if leaky gut is affecting you? Okay, so here are some of the main signs. You may have IBS problems, you might have allergies, you might have autoimmune conditions, so arthritic conditions, things like that can be caused by having a leaky gut. Not necessarily can be caused by, but can go hand in hand with having a leaky gut. The two are definitely associated with each other. You could, if you have SIBO, this often goes hand in hand with leaky gut. Chronic fatigue, or if you're gaining weight and you don't know why, again, this could be associated with leaky gut. So that are those are some of the signs to look for, to kind of establish if, you know, leaky gut could be a problem for you. So there are 4 main steps we need to look at to alleviate leaky gut problems. So you need to establish what your trigger foods are, and these will be different for everybody. So you need to take out the trigger foods from your diet, give your gut a good rest and give it the space that it needs to heal a little bit, take the pressure off. So then look at other diet and lifestyle factors which could be a problem as well. So looking at stress levels, exercise levels, etc., to see if these can be optimized, and again help your gut to really heal itself and process things as they should do. Then you need to repair your gut lining, so I would then use lots of nice herbal products maybe to really go through and fix the gut nicely so it can do its job properly and not cause all those horrible irritating symptoms. And then also need to rebalance the gut with the right probiotic for you, and really kind of get the gut functioning properly again and optimizing it so your gut's healthy, your immune system's healthy, and you're not plagued by all these other horrible problems all the time. Okay, so that's, you know, a leaky gut in a nutshell. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of this, then I have a mini program which is free. You can download that. It's in the link is in my bio, so just click on that, and then I'll give you a lot more information about all these kind of gut conditions. Or if you would like to speak to me, I will put a link to my diary in the comments, so you get a free half-hour consultation. So if you would like to speak to me, then do book one of those. Otherwise, just click on the mini program for now, and that will give you a good insight into what may be going on for you. Okay, so I hope you found that useful, and I shall see you next time. Bye.